It's your man Mike Too Smooth, and this is another episode of Mixing in the Kitchen. Today, we're doing a traditional, authentic salsa. Get ready, because we're bringing the heat.
Mixing in the kitchen. Mixing in the kitchen.
That's my man throwing down.
The ingredients for this salsa recipe are 4 jalapeños, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1/3 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of salt. In case you want to make your salsa hotter, feel free to add 1 more jalapeno or 1 serrano. But remember, the serrano is a hotter pepper than the jalapeno. Who's ready to make salsa? Alright, so let's add your 4 Roma tomatoes, 4 jalapenos, your 1/3 of an onion, and 2 garlic cloves. After that, we're about to add some water just to cover them up and put it to a boil. Alright, now that we got our water added over all the ingredients, we're going to turn our stove on to a little bit high, a little bit over medium. That way we can get this water to a boil. So after all our ingredients come to a boil, you really want the tomatoes and peppers just to be softened. You can definitely tell from the skin of the Roma tomatoes when it's ready to blend. So we're gonna wait till this water boils and get our ingredients ready for the blender. All right, now that the ingredients have been boiling, we're about to transfer them to the blender. You want to make sure that they're softened because it brings out the flavor. You see the tomatoes, how they're looking, kind of shriveled, a little softer than they were, the texture. You want it to be a little bit easier to blend, and make sure, try not to get as much water. You want to get all the ingredients out though. You want to make sure you get the onion, every piece, every layer, and as well as the garlic. You don't want to forget anything. Now it's time to blend. Do not forget your tablespoon of salt. You want to make sure you add that in. Some people add bouillon, but that's not authentic, so to me at least it's not this recipe. You ready? Also, you want to add the cilantro after you blend it a little bit, right before it's done. It's a key ingredient, just to boost it up a little. Now, it's ready for the bowl. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is authentic, traditional salsa. Thanks for tuning in to the Salsa edition. So remember, preparation is a must. Nothing can be missing. We'll see you on the next episode of Mixing in the Kitchen. Salsa!